Hey guys, quick little update on the nose. I used some of this JB Weld Marine and let it harden for 24 hours. And got home from work today and I put it on yesterday and then sanded it for about an hour, maybe a little over. And that little line, I don't know, that's smooth. So when I'm gonna put a 1/4 inch car stripping. It's like half, it's a nice little rubber that'll go all the way around. That'll protect it and it'll cover it out here. But the only thing you see, it's not bad. You back up a little bit, you can't even tell it's there. Um, Tried to follow the lines as best as possible. I'm no repair guy, but figured I'd give it a shot. Came out okay. Anyway, just thought I'd give you guys a view here of a little bit of progress. All right, talk to you later. Bye.